Hello, welcome back to our channel, Dr. Off-Road Machine. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, keep up to date with our channel. A lot more to come, a lot more mistakes, and a lot more off-road adventures.
3, 2, 1, hardwired.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the King's Dominator Extreme Winch and Hercules Complete Full Drive Recovery Kit. So, here they are. This one's the Complete Recovery Kit, which includes tyre deflator, Snatch Block, got carry bag for everything, shovel, all of the straps you're going to need. And we've got Dominator Extreme Winch, so 12,000 pound with the wireless and wireless remote. So let's jump into the recovery kit first. As soon as you open the box, it's all packed away in the carry bag. Let's get that out. Okay, there we are. Under this Velcro. And find the zip. Okay, so straight away we've got our Snatch Block here. Let's try to set this camera up somewhere. Saves me trying to hold it and open stuff. Okay, see how that goes. So we've got a Snatch Block in here, bubble wrap. On here we have probably safety information. It tells you how to use it, safe ways to do it. We'll read that later on. So we've got the Snatch Block. It opens up so you can put your winch wire through it. Good grease nipple there. It's heavy, must be good quality. Time will tell. There we are. Have a 8-ton snatch strap, which length of it I'm not positive of. Yeah, not sure how long that one is. We'll open it up and find out later. 9 metres it is. That's a good length to have. We have a winch extension strap, rated for 5 tonne, and this one is, okay, we cannot see how long this one is without opening it. Let's open it up, I'll tell you how long it is. And try to slide this out. Nice bright purple, looks cool. 10 metre winch extension strap. I've got that out eventually. A nice little tree trunk protector. You always need that. That's rated for 10 tonne. We have a tyre deflator. Also a nice little bag. Looks good, I guess. Easy enough to read the gauge on it, as you should be able to see there. Numbers are alright size. Got this part, all feels decent, smooth operation. Now we'll have to give that one a try, see how it goes. I already have one, but it's also just a cheapie, so we'll see. This must be the shovel. Yes, it is. Also has a carry bag. Lift that one off. Okay, to lock that up, we just tighten this. There we go. Feels, oh, obviously not tight yet. Hey, feels okay. It's reasonably stiff there. Got a little saw here for cutting. Not sure what this will be here for. Maybe removing nails from timbers. Yeah, looks okay. And looks like you can adjust the angle of it. Yeah. So a few different angles you can set it. That'll be good for getting on your car on the beach, pulling sand out. It's quite a good idea actually. Oh, it's handy to have this instead of just your long handle shovel. Sometimes that won't fit everywhere. Nice little piece, we'll definitely keep that in the car. Probably fit under one of the driver's seats or something. Pair of rigger's gloves. You always want to wear those when you're working with your winch. Could save your fingers one day. And our winch blanket. Yeah. I'll open this one up. Now that's already got a little bit of weight to it, but when you use it you want to put a couple of things in it to help hold it down. You got a little pocket here, you can put some gear in. Yeah, that looks alright. Always want to use one of these when you're winching, because if your strap does snap, this will help pull it down to the ground straight away. So you won't have stuff flying around, going through your windscreen, worst case killing someone. It also comes with 2 bow shackles. There's a safe workload limit of 4.7 tonnes. So, good bit of gear getting that one there. Okay, we'll move on to the winch, the exciting one. Now there are lots of mixed reviews about this winch, but for the price, you can't go wrong. Gets you out of the bog twice, you've saved money already. It's got a 2-year warranty on it. So if it gets me out of the bog just a couple times, I'll be happy. And for that 2 years, well, there's a problem with the device itself, not from you. They should take it back. You can just refund it, get another one, or your money back. Let's open this one up. Tape cut as well. Okay, so as soon as we open the box, we see some wiring here. Let's start with this one. So we got our winch controller here. It feels okay. Doesn't feel real expensive, obviously. It is only a cheap winch, but it feels good. So obviously you got in, out on a momentary switch, and that's to change it from wired to wireless, which the battery for that goes just in here. It looks like a nice long cable. Plenty length there, but it's a wireless as well. So you'll be well out of the way of any danger when using it. We have the control box here. Nice heavy duty cable. One thing I really like about these King's winches, so they got this on-off isolator here. It's just twist, turn it on and off. So then you're not losing any battery power through there. That's quite a good feature, I believe. You got an earth here, which would go straight to your battery, and I believe the yellow one here, or yellow and black wire, I believe that one goes to your winch itself, along with this red wire. And you got nice little earth here, connecting terminal A. So in the instructions it's going to tell us where that goes. I believe that also goes onto the winch itself. Oh, there you go. King's Dominator Extreme. Nice little waterproof shield here, your wires. That clips on there quite nice. Little 4-pin connection, just where your receiver will go, control your winch. Okay, what else do we have? Awesome, it comes with a battery. That's good, I don't have to go out and buy another bloody battery. I would say this here will be the wireless receiver. Yeah, that would have to be what that there is. That off to the side. Okay, got some mounting hardware. What have we got? SCBB. I'm not sure what grade that is. Oh, 8.8 that would be, not BB. So it's 8.8 grade hardware. That should be plenty strong enough. We got our winch hook here. That feels okay. Markings we have here 7/16, and it says Adventure Kings on it. Okay, that looks alright. We also have a little split pin to ensure it doesn't come off your winch rope. Nice little red tag, put on your hook. And we have a fair lead here. Nice alloy piece. Looks pretty good. Nice and shiny, so it must be good, eh? Wicked. That should look good on that black bull bar. There we are, the user's manual. So be sure to read this before installing it. Yeah, another earth cable. So there seems to be plenty of length in all those cables. Okay, the main piece itself. Put this down to pull this one out. Give a bit of weight to it. Okay, rip this bubble wrap off and see what the goods look like. We're going to be installing this probably tomorrow, so not worry about wrapping it all back up. Okay, there we are. Turn around this way. Oh. It looks decent. Yeah, as you can see. So this one with the yellow around it, I believe that's going to be that wire we were looking at before with the yellow sheath on it from the control box. And these other ones we're going to have to look in the manual for. See what they all are. Got the synthetic rope on there obviously. 26 metres worth. Got your clutch here. Hear that engage. And with this one, it's nice and easy to rotate your clutch housing, which we will have to do. Simply just undo these Allen key bolts around the edge. That'll pull off, then you can orientate it the way that it needs to be for your vehicle. Yeah, there's not much else to say about this winch really. All we can do now is fit it up and see how it goes. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please comment, like and subscribe. Cheers. If the camera will stop recording, that is.
Thank you all for watching the unboxing of the King's Dominator Extreme Winch and the Recovery Pack. Keep tuned for the installation video. Thank you for everyone for watching another Epic Storm video. Keep tuned for more. Hit the like and subscribe button and visit our online store and help us run this channel.
We could be legend. I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.